Converting fractions to decimals. In order to convert a fraction to a decimal, we're just simply going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Let's take a look at our first example, 21 over 82. 21 divided by 82 is 0.256098. Okay, so again, to convert a fraction into a decimal, you're just going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Our second example is 10 over 20. Again, we're just going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So that will be 10 divided by 20. And 10 divided by 20 is 0.5. So 10 over 20 as a decimal is 0.5. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.